Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for Target. I wanted to do Walmart's video today, but listen, y'all, it's been so hectic. It's been hectic. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the PAL. PAL, if you take a second and subscribe, also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, y'all know we had a slab leak. I had to move my stockpile in the garage. Everything is in the garage. Everything on the whole first floor is in the garage. They just sent a pod over this afternoon, and that's how it's going. So I was happy to get out to Target today to do some deals this morning, which was really cool. I have, let's see, we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 deals to share today. It'll definitely be a voiceover. I just went in real quick, took pics because I have to get Big Head from school, and so I don't have a lot of time. And so yeah, so I told you guys Joseph has a spend 200, I think, spend 199, and you get a free membership for Target. So I've been working on that, trying to do whatever freebies I can do through Aisle, Social Nature, and WeStock. And so that's kind of what my goal has been. And so hopefully this will be quick. As far as the outro, I'm not really sure how that's gonna work yet, because I don't even have a table to do it on. Don't even have a floor to do it on. So I might have to do it in my bedroom. I'm not sure. We'll see. So if you haven't had a chance to hit the like button, definitely do that. Of course, hype your girl up. How come I'm just barely learning that you only get 3 hypes per, is it per week? Or it's per week, I think. Yeah, you only get 3 hypes per week. I think it's per week. So if I'm one of your 3 for this week, I really appreciate you. And with that being said, we're going to hit the Target. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you're required to do, hit the like button. Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So this first deal here is on the Function of Beauty. They're priced at $3.49. Getting back to on Ibotta, $2.15 on Fetch Reward. It's a 66-cent moneymaker. Limit of 3 for Fetch Reward. Ibotta's limit of 5. There's like 4 different ones you can grab. They also have a spend 30 save 5 beauty coupon on the app. So if you want to grab more to use that, that's an option as well. All right, next up is the Secret Whole Body. It's on the travel size one, priced at $3.99. And for this, we have a $3 digital. It's coming off perfectly fine, bringing that down to 99 cents. We're also grabbing the Dove as well. It's the 2-in-1 that's priced at $1.99. And the $2 digital is adjusting itself down. I'm making this absolutely free. All right, so this deal here is on the August pads. This particular location doesn't carry them. It looks like they're priced at $7.99, and we have a free offer on Aisle. All right, y'all, let me apologize in advance because the guy is downstairs smashing up the tile. And I know it's probably loud, but I'm not really sure how much it's picking up upstairs. So again, I do apologize in advance. This deal here is on the nut pods. It's on sale for $3.99. We have an offer on Aisle, making that absolutely free. Let me also apologize if you hear Josiah. He's right next to me as well because there's not a whole lot of places he can go. And so this deal here is on the Oatly creamer. It's priced at $5.79 when you buy one. You'll get that back through Social Nature. I also have $3 back when I bought it as well, making this a $3 moneymaker. Next up is the Spritz Society beverage. It's priced at $10.99, and you're going to get that back on Aisle, making this absolutely free. So I did get another offer for the Benny energy drink. It's buy 2, get 1 free. I also have buy 1, get 1 free on Joseph's account for Social Nature. So I'm going to buy 3 altogether. 2 of them will be free, so we'll pay $2.79 for one of them, are only 93 cents each. So this deal here is on the Neutral granola. Now I just did this deal because I wanted to see if it was going to glitch. I have 3 different offers for buy 1 get 1 free on Social Nature. They're priced at $7.19, so you'd grab 2 of them. You would pay $14.38 and get back $7.19. Now when I submitted the receipt the first time, it didn't go through. I resubmitted again, and both actually went through. So I got back $7.19 times 2. So it did make them both free. But if you're just doing just the 2 and just the 1 offer, it makes them $3.59 each. All right, so this deal here is on the Purina Dental Life. The price at $4.19, and for this we have a $2 digital. We also have $2 back on Ibotta. So you'll pay $2.19, get back to making them only 19 cents each. All right, last but not least is the Honest sanitizing wipes. Now I grabbed these at a different store. They're priced at $15.59. There's a 75% back offer on Social Nature, which gave me back $11.24. Now this was on the same receipt as the neutral granola. It did pick this up and I got it back, but when I submitted the receipt the second time, it picked it up a second time as well. So I actually got back $7.50 on the second time, which is a 50% offer back. So it ended up making the wipes a $3.15 moneymaker. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. This is literally the best that I could do. But everything today worked out good. I'm still waiting for the 3 offers for Isle. That was the Benny, the Spread Society, and the Nut Pods to go through. Social Nature, that went through already. Of course, Ibotta went through already. Yeah, all the other apps were good. And so, yeah, this worked out to be pretty good. It was a small little haul. And so everything you see here retails $75.56. We had $5 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $70.56. I'm walking away with $41.70 from Social Nature, $17.77 from Isle, $9.25 from Ibotta. I did do 2 field agent jobs for $7 total. And then last but not least, we got back $6.50 from Fresh Reward. So we walk away with a total of $82.22 back. It's going to make everything you see here free plus $11.66 moneymaker, which is pretty cool considering it's a really small haul. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you made it to the end, I want to see a house emoji. I want to see a house emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.